Hello students, welcome to Praishu Edu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is similar figures. Similar figures means exactly the similar, same as it is. We have to find out the figures. Okay, so this is exercise 7, which is available in our Navneet digest. So we are going to see some solve examples in our digest, page number 190. These questions are given, so we are making the overview for this one. So what exactly the concepts? So there is a common instruction: find out the figures that is exactly identical. Exactly identical means same, symmetrical. Okay, it's not a reflections, or it's not a images in mirror or the water. Okay, so it's only the similarity. Might be there are the some rotations, but the figure after the rotation also the identical. Okay, identical means the same as it is. Okay, so that is very very important. So all the four corners, or we can say the upside down, the downside, left side down, right side, that everything has to be same. Is there any symbols, or we can say geometrical shapes, that also we have to understand. Even their directions, or we can say their shaded portions or lines portion, their we can say the angles, everything we have to identical. Okay, so that we have to identify, or we can say we have to choose. So this is very very important, and this can be only find out only on observation. Okay, our observation should be very keen, each and every point. Do not make a hurry, or do not make your means make judge of your answers very quickly. Okay, it may be a mere mistakes. Okay, so when we are going to identify any similar figures or exactly identical figures, then observe or cross check with other options also. Then once you are getting sure, yes, this is the, I'm sure this option is the correctly, then only we can make it. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स से कि प्रॉपरली ऑब्जर्वेशन कीजिए, और जब भी आपका कुछ भी आपका ऑप्शंस अगर एक बार आपका कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि ये ऑप्शंस मेरा करेक्ट है, सो अदर 3 इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शंस आल्सो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई और वन टाइम चेक इट. ओके, देन ओनली द करेक्ट आंसर हैज़ टू बी मार्क आउट एज दिस इज माई correct answer. Okay, and then in OMR sheet make your correct answer. Okay, so this only can be done by only the practice. Okay, so now we are going to see the question number 1. Now this is the question number figure, and this is the answers figures. In answer figure there are the 4 figures, means option number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So question figure and the answers figure, so which is a similarity or the same as it is as like a questions figure available in our option, that we have to choose. Okay, now here, so this is the arrow, then small circles, then small we can say square or half circle, here also, and here small line, and the solid circles. Okay, or dot we can say. So everything we have to identical, and as per this one, which can is be the similar. Now here the this dot here not a present, so this is a incorrectly. Okay, now here the arrow, here also arrow, then small circle, here also, here also. Now this half circle and this half circle, and this here half circle, here and here, but here not absent. Okay, so this incorrectly. Now this triangle and the square, now triangle and the square, and after that one, is there anything else? No. So we can say everything is similarity. Now as per this one we can identify, but here the square, here also square, this is incorrectly. But here if you see the square is something like this one, means like this one, but actually the square is a line, and then this square like this. Okay, like this one means line is joining to the sides middle, not by the corner. Okay, so this is the main difference for this option number 4. So option number 4 is incorrectly. Now option number 4 is a perfectly, we can say the similar. Okay, now as per this one we can make our observation very keenly, and we can identify which is exactly. Then question number 2. So in question figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves are there. So 5 leaves means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything has a 5 leaves. Now this shape is like this something. Okay, so similar, this is totally missing, or we can say it's a somewhat be like a mirror image or something. Here the leaf positions are the different, here also different. So option number 2 and 1 is incorrectly. Now option number 3 can be identical as per the leaf, but this figure here the in a downward, but as a in question figure something different direction. So option number 3 is incorrectly. Now option number 4 is identical. Okay, now like this one we have to observe, then this also, this 4 curves also identical. Okay, so option number 4 is the correctly one. Now question number 3. Now this arrow This also have the arrow, then this line incline, this also an incline, here also incline, here different, here the different. So then these two small lines, okay, here also two small lines, here not present, here different, and here arrow also different. So option number 4 is incorrectly one. Now only the option number 3 is perfectly matching these lines, even these lines, quarter vertical and horizontal lines, inclined line, this inclined line also, okay. So means everything is observed, okay. So this is a similarity. So option number 3 is a perfectly. Now question number 4. So this dot we can say at the top one, at the right side, then this horizontal line. So here also horizontal line, top this identical, and if we observe this one after the rotations of this one, but if you rotate this one, so this can be like this one, but due to this one, this shape is totally different, because if you rotate this one, so line should be like this one, but line is here, so this is incorrectly, this is also incorrectly, and this is also incorrectly. Means now as exactly identical, option number 2 is a perfectly matching. Now we are going to see the exercise. So exercise question number 1 is there. So as per this one, so this small triangle, solid triangle and circles. So if you observe this one, so this here the solid, so this is incorrectly, but here this is somewhat be downward, but this is horizontal, so this is incorrectly, this is also horizontal, this is incorrectly. So 1, 2 and 4 is incorrect. Now only the option number 3, if you observe 1, 2, 3 small shapes, yes, this is also perfect, and this is also matching. So all over the option number 3 is a perfectly matching. Now question number 2. So there is some ear, so eyes, as per this one the ears are the same, and but the eyes, this is different. Now here the same, here the same, here the same, but as per the consideration of the nose, so everything is identical, but this is different one. So now two options are gone. Now as per this one nose are same, and as per the mouth this is identical, this is different one, okay. Means this one also wrong, so option number 2 is a matching. Now question number 3. So hexagon is there and 3 shapes here. So triangle this side and solid, so solid and the triangle, solid and the triangle, here the circle, this is incorrect, here the square, this is incorrectly, here the triangle, so these two can be identical. Now circle, here also circle. Now this horizontal line, now this is vertical line, and here the horizontal line. So means these 3 options are gone, only the fourth option. Now this line and this line matching, then square also matching, and circle also matching. Means just identical. We have to observe this figure and the answer figure continuously. So as per this one, option number 4 is a matching. Question number 4. So in this one the rotations of the figure is there, exactly matching is not there, means, but once we are rotating these figures, so we are getting the matching figure. So now this lines, this vertical lines, left right side this triangle is there, so lines, if you rotate this one, so lines right side this will come, so this is a different one. The lines this side is the different one, lines this side means right side after the rotations of like this one, so this is matching, and lines this side means right side after revolving like this again, so this is a different one, okay. And here the triangle is outside, not in the toward the center, so this is also the different side, this is the toward the center, but this is not matching. Lines, this is the left side, okay, after rotating this one, this will comes here, okay, means like this rotation, so this is totally different, this one also totally different. But if you rotate like this, means from this position to this position, only 90-degree rotations, so this line will comes here, this circle, half circle will comes here, this small circle will comes here, and this triangle will comes like this one here, so which is a same identical after 90-degree rotations, means option number 3 is a exactly identical. Now question number 4. So these small triangles like this, like this, like this, like this, okay, same. Then circle, 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 here square, so this is a incorrect. Now this small square, small square, small square, this is a different direction, this is okay, okay, so means this is already wrong. Now only the 2 options are there. Now this half circle, this half circle, this is the different directions, okay, so this is also wrong, so means option number 1 is a correctly one. Now question number 6. So there is this circle, 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 then this circles, and inside there is a net, this net is having the same, but if you see the head and the net, this is the different one, this is a like same, this is the same, this distance is a different one, this distance is a somewhat be like same, okay, but this distance is different and this distance is different. Now this leg, or we can like a leg shape, so here the different, okay, here the different, okay, so here matching, but this is a in different one. So the option number 4, 3 and 1 are the totally different. Only the option number 2 is a perfectly matching. Here the hands position is a different one, okay, so that's why option number 3 is the incorrectly one. Now question number 7. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, so 4 2 are here, 4 3 4 3 4 and 3, okay. Then this is square, circle, this square, like this one. Four these shapes we will identify at a time. So this is a same, this one also the same, okay. Then this is a yeah, this is the difference, so this option and this option is wrong. Then here the same, and here the shapes are also the same, okay, but here the difference, yeah, here also the same, okay. So now what is the difference in between this one? So here square, here triangles, here triangles, so like this in this one, here the two lines, here also the two lines, so these squares, so here and here, so here is the difference, but this square and this square is a matching, and this are also the matching. So this option number 2 also incorrectly due to this one, so option number 4 is a perfectly matching. Then question number 8. So these two corners, or we can say the nose for this cup, or we can say the flower part like this shape, and the 4 dots are there. 4 dots are here, 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 they are the different dots, so this is incorrectly. Now here the this absent, okay, so this we can say the nose, so this is incorrectly. Then in between this one, this one is ear is for the holding purpose, this is absent, so only one figure is there, so this is a perfectly matching. So option number 3 is a question number 9. So if you observe this very carefully, so this nose is a different one as per the questions, and here the mouth, this is a different one, the upper side is here the solid, okay, and now these two options are wrong. Now here the ear is a different, okay, here is the ear different, and then only the option number 3 is a correctly, this is a incorrect. Then question number 10. So these lines are somewhat with these directions, okay, these all the 4 lines are the same, here these are the like this direction, so this is incorrectly. Now here the horizontal, here the vertical, so this is incorrectly. Now all are the same, so this is correct, but here the some inside the solid comes, solid dots comes, so this is incorrectly. So the option number 3 is perfectly matching. Now question number 11. So the leg shape like this one, so this is somewhat be similar, but here the capsule shape is there, okay, here the square is there, so this is incorrect. Now here the shape, these dots, okay, so these are the some different, so this option 1 and 2 is incorrect. Now here this is a matching, and here in this one, sorry, this is not a matching due to the legs, okay, so this is incorrectly, this is a matching with a question figure, so that's why option number 4 is correct. Now question number 12. So this shape is here the square, so this is incorrectly, here also correct. Then this shape we will identical, okay, then these two shapes also, okay, here the 3 lines, here also 3 lines, here more lines, okay, so that's why this is incorrectly. In option number 3, the top of this one, this is a square, okay, this is also the square, this is a something round, so this is a small difference is there, okay, means like this one, something like this one, but actually this should be like this, okay, this corner, okay, even also here, so that's why this is the different. So the option number 2 is only the correctly. Then question number 3, the arrows and this shapes is there, so as per the shapes are matching almostly, but we have to observe for the arrows, so this is the different than this one, then these are the similar, these are the different, now then these two are the similar, and here, so option number 3 and the option number 4 in this one, so option number 3 is a perfectly matching as per this one, but the option number 4, these two are in the same direction, but here the something different, means this is a difference, so that's option number 3, 4, 2 and 1 are incorrectly, option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 14. So this is somewhat be very tricky. So questions figures mirror is this option number 2. Okay, means if you keep the mirror like this one, so if you same, this is a mirror, but we are not required a mirror, so this is a totally different one. Now mirror, and if this is a mirror image rotation like this one, okay, so this figure comes, but this is a mirrors of this one, means this is not perfectly matching this one also, so that's why option number 1 also incorrectly. But if you rotate this one with a 90 degree, means this corner comes this corner, so this will be matching, means option number 3 is perfectly matching, and here the line is meeting in somewhere else, okay, here also, so that's why option number 4 is incorrectly. So the option number 3 is a perfectly similar. Now question number 15. So observe this one, so this is totally different shapes. So after this one, this top of this one is a square, but we require like this hexagon. Then these eyes are the 6 corners top, but we require the 5 stars, so that's why this is a different. So option number 2, 3 and 4 are different, and then option number 1 is a perfectly matching. Then question number 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 petals, so everywhere the 6 petals, but so this is a somewhat be different, even unit sides, so this is incorrectly. Then from this one, option number 3 is a somewhat be similar. Option number 2, if you observe, so this shapes is coming like this one, actually this should be from here, okay, so that's why option number 2 incorrectly. Then the petals, we can see here the 6, but here the 5, so petals are the difference, so option number 1 is incorrect, so the option number 3 is a perfectly similar. Then for the question number 17, here the 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps are there, here 1, 2, 3, so this is a different one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, so these are also the different. Now 2 and 3 in between them we have to observe, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 leaves, okay, so here also 5, here also 1, 2, 3, 6 leaves are there, so that's why this also incorrectly. So the option number 2 is a perfectly similar. Then question number 18. So in a question figure, so this is a circle, so here also circle, here a triangle, here a circle, so this is incorrectly. Then the windows are the square, here square, here the circles, so this is incorrectly, here the squares. Then these doors are the squares, here the round, so this is incorrectly, here the squares, okay, so that's why option number 14 is a similar. Then question number 19. So this and this is a somewhat bit tilting, then this is a perfectly matching. But if you observe for this question number 19, so this shape is, and this one is a different one. And for the question number 3, if you observe this distance in between this one and in this one, so this distance we can say this is a different one, so option number 2 and 3 are different. And this shape is here the corner, and this point and this point, the distance in between this one, so this is a totally different one, so that's option number 4 also incorrectly. Even this shape and this shape is different one for option number 4, so option number 1 is a perfectly matching. Then question number 20. So this half circle side is here solid, this side, here all having same. Then triangle, so triangles right side is a solid, here the left side is a solid, so this is incorrectly. Then here the perfect, here perfect, here perfect. Then squares upper side diagonal is a solid, here here is a downwards directions, so this is the difference one. And here the same, here the same. Then this pentagons square bottom side is a solid, here the here perfect, here the hollow, so this is a difference, so that's why option number 3 is a perfectly similar. Then question number 21. So if you observe this vertical line and this horizontal lines, so as per this ones, and the number of lines 1, 2, 3 inside, so here more lines are here, so this is a different one. Here the 3, here 3 and here 3. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines are here, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, all are the same. But here 1, 2, 3, 4 these lines are there, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 2, 3, so this is the difference, so option number 3 also not there. Then here the 1, 2 lines are here, here 1 2 3 lines are there. Okay, so this is the difference in option number 4. So option number 1 3 and 4 are different, only the option number 2 figure is perfectly similar. Then for the question number 22, so observe this one. So this is shape is different and somewhat the shape is same, but here the line comes. Okay, so that's why this is the difference one. So option number 1 2 and 3 are different, option number 4 is perfectly similar. For question number 23, so these arrows we have to count, and as per this one, so this 3 and bottom 3, side 2 and 1, 2 and 1. So as per this one, if you observe, so these are the something difference in this figure, and this and this ones. Okay, so this here the difference is there, so that's why these two options are incorrectly. Then we are making comparison in between these ones. Here the some difference, the directions of these two arrows, but only the option number 1 is a perfectly matching, so that's why option number 1 is a similar figure. Now question number 24, so this half circle like a moon, this is a different one, so option 1 is incorrectly. Then after this one, the number of these small circles, here the 3, here the 4, so option number 2 is incorrectly. After this one, this horizontal line is absent here, so that's option number 4 is incorrectly. Then after this one, only the 3 is a perfectly matching. Okay, so option number 3 option is a correct one. Then question number 25, so with this similarity observations, if you observe, so you will get this triangle is a different one than this one, so this is incorrectly. Then after this one, here the solid but here the hollow. Okay, so this is a different. Then after this one, so here the difference is this triangle upper side is a solid, but actually this should be hollow. Okay, so as per this one, 1 3 and 4 are incorrectly, so the only option number 2 is perfectly similar. Then for the question number 26, so arrow then small solids dot, as per this one, here dot is missing, so this is a difference. Then here the matching, but here this triangle is somewhere else, so that's why this is a different. Then after this one, this dot also here is somewhere missing, so option number 3 is incorrectly, so the option number 4 is perfectly matching with all considerations, so option number 4 for 26 is similar. Then question number 27, so fish eye is here the difference. Okay, then here the mouth is the difference, and here 1 2 3 4 lines are here, and here also the 4, but the lines, these fins are somewhat be very different here. So here the somewhere distance is there, fins and this one, but here the same are in line. Okay, so this is the main difference, so that's why option number 4 3 and 2 are a different one, only the option number 1 is a similar figure. Then question number 28, this is very important, this is a somewhat be 7:30 time. Okay, in a clock, so this is a totally different, so option number 1 is incorrectly. These two lines are touching to the circle, this is incorrectly. Then after this one, if you rotate this figure somewhat, we means this point will becomes this 2 here. Okay, means anti-clockwise, you will get option number 3 is matching with this one, but this is if you rotate this one in this direction, so up to this small hand up to here, but this angle is smaller than this one. Okay, as per the observation, so that's why option number 4 is incorrectly, but the option number 3 is perfectly similar. Then question number 29, this dot, this line and this tick check mark, if you consider, so you will find out the option number 1 is perfectly matching, but this arrow check mark and this solid, if you see, so this is a line at the center one, here also center one, but this is somewhat be tilting. Okay, means this vertices here, but here at the top the horizontal line, here the vertices are there. Okay, and this corner is a somewhat be different one, means very near to this one, and this figure also somewhere different one, so that's why this figure is a somewhat be different, so this is different one. Now this dot and this checkpoint are the very similar or at the same horizontal line, so this is the main difference. And these dots and opposite of this one there is a checkpoint, so this is a difference one, so only the option number 1 is a perfectly similar Then question number 30. So this square, then pentagon, triangle and circle. So if you consider the lines, these directions are here the different one, so this is incorrectly. Then after this one, the triangles, these lines are here the difference, so in this one this is the main difference. And the circles, these lines are in horizontal, so here the some inclined, so this is the main difference in this one. So option number 2, 3 and 4 are incorrectly. Option number 1 is a perfectly similar for this one.